main issue in industry that related to the topic that we choose is tin mining. Tin mining is one of the crucial activity of human that affect the environment and economy, and this activity has been occurred everywhere in the world, including Indonesia. Bangka Belitung, Indonesia is one of the provinces that is rich in mining products such as fossil oils, natural gas, coal, nickel, and others. Bangka Belitung Islands have the largest tin deposit in Indonesia and also is the second largest tin producer in the world, as tin mining activities has been existing in Bangka Belitung province for years. These activities has increased the economic income, but at the same time, it causes societal conflicts to the Bangka Belitung's community.
The pollution occurring from the tin mining industry is due to onshore mining activity, where it can reduce biodiversity, causes floods, and damage infrastructure. Next, offshore tin mining reduce water quality, and the original stream channels have been changed by the mining activity. Planting local tree species is challenging, where reclaimed soil are contaminated with metal, are highly acidic, or costly textured. The water and the sediment from the washing process bring acidic material, which may reach the pH below 3. The acidity negatively affects soil flora and fauna. A river that receives tin sedimentation has nearly 30% less fish species compared to a river free from tin mining. In addition to the two oil companies, PT Timah Bangka Tbk and PT Korbatin established a new mining companies and illegal tin mining, which are known as mine unconventional. The presence of the new private mining companies and mining IT has been able to compete with the production of both oil monopolized the business for a long time. At the same time, the new mining system was so greedy for profit as quickly as possible in a relatively short time without regard to the environmental impact.
Indonesia is world biggest exporter of tin. Yes, we can say that mining activity increases the wealth of the local people, but most of the miners neglect the good mining practices. So what happens is this mining activity decreases the environmental stability, causes pollution, and also causes horizontal impact. One of the negative impact of mining is it causes air pollution. The dust and gas emission during the mining pollute the air and lead to the sickness. The radioactive minerals such as monazite, pyrochlorate, and xenotime, which were obtained as a byproduct of tin mining, causes health problem and also death of the people. So one of the negative impact of mining is it causes air pollution. Negative impact of tin mining activities is landscape change. Mining activities causes the ecology to be completely destroyed, and there will be widespread of soil disturbance. Mining construction also result in soil erosion, which promote a variety of environmental changes associated with the distributed area, which can lead to the altered plant community species and loss of the habitat for the flora and fauna. So one of the negative impact of mining activities is it causes the landscape change.
The third effect is water pollution. Acid mine drainage is a major cause of water pollution from mining. Mining excavates large amounts of ores that contain precious metals such as gold and silver, as well as iron and other sulfides. The sulfuric acid was created when the sulfides and ore were exposed to water and air. It can seep from mines and waste rock spills into rivers and groundwater. This secretion is called acid mine drainage that can burn human skin and kill fish and aquatic organisms because it can be 20 to 300 times more acidic than acid rain. Fourth effect is the habitat and wildlife. This is because mining is usually a heavy industrial activity that involves road construction and the use of heavy machinery. The habitat of wildlife can be destroyed. The wildlife can be poisoned after drinking contaminated water. An increase in sedimentation or acidity can kill trout, salmon, and other aquatic organisms. The fish growth can be stunted due to exposure to heavy metals even at the low concentration.
From the previous video, we can see many impact of mining industry. So now, let's see how to solve this problem. There are three ways to reduce mining industry. First, rehabilitating mining sites. Companies can use many land rehabilitation techniques to make mine lands productive again or speed up the land's natural recovery process. Second, lower impact mining technique. Traditional mining technique causes several impacts to the environment, as alternative miners can use in situ leaching techniques. It significantly can reduce surface disturbance at mining sites, lower soil erosion, which helps to prepare a site for quicker revegetation or rehabilitation. Lastly, the third way how to reduce mining industry is shutting down illegal mining. The government must shutting down the illegal mining. Strong punishment such as imposing high compounds and fines must be given to illegal miners so that these mining activities can be reduced and others won't repeat it again. Okay, that's all from me. The ways how to reduce mining industry.